Good morning everyone. So we are starting our day with our playgroup assembly and today's theme is community helpers. You can see a little one dressed up as doctors, policemen, teachers, firefighters, milkman, cobbler and etc. Through this assembly, we are helping them understand the importance of community helpers and how they help us in our daily life. Learning like this makes the concept real and meaningful to our kids. And now let's move to our dance club Boogie Bugs. The kids are enjoying their dance time, moving to the music, expressing themselves and having so much fun. Dance helps build confidence, coordination and keep the energy positive throughout the day. So this is a beautiful wall of our play class. They have their creative corner activities written down on the board and the kids are having their worksheet time. They are introduced with the letter S and they're coloring the sun with the yellow color with their deep thoughts and learning their sound through simple activities that make learning easy and enjoyable. Say hello everyone. The kids loved coloring, so they love with their whole heart. Let's just peep inside our UKG class and see what they are doing. It's look like they're enjoying their chess over time. A fun and safe way to keep them active while improving balance, focus and overall fitness. And let's see their moves, what they are just doing. It's just look awesome while they follow the teacher's action and they look so cute while having their Zumba time.
Hello everyone, good morning.
So these are the cute little millennials of our school, a pre-nursery class, and they're having their circle time, enjoying their activity time. So the kids are sitting together for the circle time activity and they're sorting fruit according to the color, as like yellow fruit are to be one side and green fruit to be other side. So these are our LKG nursery kids. The kids are dressed up as little skaters, wearing their skates along with kneecaps and helmet. Before starting the skates, a teacher is explaining the basic rules of skating, how to stand properly, how to maintain balance and skate safely. The children are learning step by step, understanding the importance of safety while building confidence and enjoying the activity at their own level. So they are learning at their own age. In our class 1, we introduce children with a planter club activity. They have once in a week a planter club activity where they have been taught about the importance of plants and nature. Here the kids are cleaning their surroundings and making their plant clean. By adopting a plant, they are being introduced with the responsibility. By taking care of their own plant, children develop love for nature, understanding the value of protecting the environment from an early age. I hope you all have enjoyed watching our vlog. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.